Objective number 3, multiply complex numbers. Example number 5, multiply. We just simply think this is like an algebra to multiply, so we will distribute. So 4i times 3 minus 4i times 6i. Then 4i times 3 is 12i, and 4i times 6i is 24i squared. Then we get 12i minus 24. We will do more because we know that I squared is -1. Then 12i plus 24. We can rewrite it as 24 plus 12i. This is telling us that the real part is 24 and the imaginary part is 12. So we multiply the two complex number, which is 4i is one complex number, 3 minus 6i is a complex number. When we multiply the two complex number, we got the result is a complex number. In problem B, we will perform the FOIL. -2 times 3 is -6. -2 times -8 is positive 2i. 4i times 3 is 12i. And the last one is minus 4i squared. Now we combine like term -6 plus 14i. And then we will replace -1 for I squared. And then we simplify more. 14i and then plus 4. Then we combine like terms, so -2 plus 14i. The real part is -2 and the imaginary part is 14. Number 6, we want to multiply, and of course, first of all, we need to simplify the square root of a negative number. We will separate the -25 and the -4 as a -1 times 25 and a -1 times 4. Then -1 separate, we will get 5i, and the second part, we will separate the -1 and 4, then we will get 2i. Then 5i times 2i is 10i squared, and we will continue to replace I squared as a -1. Then we will get the answer is -10, because positive 10 times -1 is -10. In part B, similarly, we will get simplify the square root of -16 is 4i, and square root of -9 is 3i. Now we perform the distribute, or is FOIL, because we have two parentheses. Then we get 2 minus 6i plus 4i minus 12i squared. We combine like terms, then we got 2 minus 2i plus 12, because 12 times 1 is 12, but we have the sign negative and negative, so it's become positive. The real part is 14 and the imaginary part is -2.